Meadow Cider is a third-generation, family-owned apple orchard and cidery based in the beautiful orchard county of Armagh. Enjoy an orchard walk with the McKeever family through their various orchard plantations to see how the famous Bramley apple is grown, processed, harvested and pressed to be transformed into award-winning artisan craft ciders and apple juices. Sit back, relax and enjoy a cool refreshing glass of cider in their new glass-fronted venue in the heart of the orchard. The McKeever family look forward to welcoming you all to Long Meadow Farm.